Hey everyone, welcome to our video about Google Bard, the latest language model developed by Google. In this video, we will explore how to sign in Google Bard. So, let's get started. Welcome to JP Tech Learning, where we bring you the latest and greatest in technology education. In this video, I'll show you how to sign into Google Bard. Open browser and type bard.google.com in address bar. Click on the Sign In button in the top right corner of the screen, if you haven't already. Or click on Join Waitlist. Once you've joined the waitlist, you will receive a You've been added to the waitlist message from bard-norripley@google.com. When it's your turn to try Bard, you will receive another email titled, It's your turn to try Bard. It took only few hours for them to get the Google invite for Bard. Once you get access to Google Bard, you can log in with your Google account on the Bard site. Here we test Google Bard to write code for PHP login form. Wait a second. Yes. See guys, it gives a code like a professional. Google Bard is not only useful for generating code, but it can also be used to help students learn about anything and improve their own skills. We highly recommend giving Google Bard a try. Who knows, you might be inspired to write your own code. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips.